Hello all, in this video we will discuss chapter 17 Thai from Savi Kannada textbook for class 2. So chapter 17 in the first page Thai Padya, you have to fill in the blank appropriately. So the first picture is Ajji. Ajji means grandmother. Then Ajja, grandfather. Amma, mother. Appa, father. The next, it can be younger sister or elder sister, right? So, Tangi, which means younger sister. Akka, which means elder sister. Then, Tamma, Anna. It can be younger brother or elder brother. Younger brother is Tamma and elder brother is Anna. Okay, so fill in the blank appropriately. Ajji, Ajja, Amma, Appa, Tangi or Akka, Tamma, Anna. Grandmother, Ajji, grandfather, Ajja, mother, Amma, father, Appa, younger sister, Tangi, elder sister, Akka, younger brother, Tamma, elder brother, Anna. ತಾಯಿ ತಾನು ಮಗುವ ಹಡೆದು ಜಗವ ಮರೆತಳು. So what that means? ತಾಯಿ, mother, ತಾನು, herself, ಮಗು, baby, ಹಡೆ means to give birth, ಜಗ, world. Mare means forget. Maretalu, she forgot. Okay, so the mother gave birth to her baby and forgot about the world. Jagava maretalu, she forgot about the world. Okay, so Maguva tanna idiya jagavu endu bagedalu. Magu means baby, tanna herself. Idi, the whole or entire, jaga, world, endu means that way. Bagedalu, bage means to think. So she thought her baby is a entire world. The meaning is mother gave birth to the baby and forgot about the world, and also she thought her baby is a entire world. ತಾಯಿ ತಾನು ಮಗುವ ಹಡೆದು ಜಗವ ಮರೆತಳು ಮಗುವ ತನ್ನ ಇಡಿಯ ಜಗವು ಎಂದು ಬಗೆದಳು. ಮಗುವು ದಿನವು ಆಡಿ ಬರಲು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡುವಳು. ಮಗು baby, ದಿನ every day. ಆಡು means to play. ಬಾರಲು means to come. ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ proud. ಪಡು means feel. She feels very proud when kid come back from playing. ಮಗುವು ಬೇಗ ಬಾರದಿರಲು ಕೂಗಿ ಕರೆವಳು. ಬಾರದಿರಲು means not coming. Magu, baby. Bega means quickly or fastly. Kugi, kugu means to cry. Kare, kare means call. So she calls out or scream if kid doesn't come back quickly. Okay, so ಮಗುವು ದಿನವು ಆಡಿ ಬರಲು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡುವಳು ಮಗುವು ಬೇಗ ಬಾರದಿರಲು ಕೂಗಿ ಕರೆವಳು. So what that means? She feels very proud when kid come back from playing, and also she calls out or screams if kid doesn't come back quickly. ತನ್ನ ನೂರು ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸಿ ಮಗುವ ಪೊರೆವಳು. ತನ್ನ, her or herself. ನೂರು means hundreds. ಕಷ್ಟ, difficulty. ಸಹಿಸಿ, ಸಹಿಸು means to bear. ಪೊರೆ means to look after or take care. ಮಗು baby. So ತನ್ನ ನೂರು ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸಿ ಮಗುವ ಪೊರೆವಳು means she takes care of her kid by bearing hundreds of her problem. Okay, ಹಲವು ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೊಡುವಳು. ಹಲವು means many. ಕೆಲಸ work. ತಿಂಡಿ snacks. ಬಿಟ್ಟು leave. Okay, iru means to be there. Okay, so she gives snacks to the kid leaving all her many works. Okay, ತನ್ನ ನೂರು ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸಿ ಮಗುವ ಪೊರೆವಳು ಹಲವು ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೊಡುವಳು. That means she takes care of her kid by bearing hundreds of her problems, and also she gives snacks to the kid, leaving all her many daily work. ಮಗುವು ತನ್ನ ಕರುಳ ಕೊಡಿಯು ಎಂದು ಬಗೆವಳು, ಮಗುವಿನೊಡನೆ ದಿನದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುವಳು. ಮಗುವು ತನ್ನ ಕರುಳ ಕೊಡಿಯು ಎಂದು ಬಗೆವಳು. ಕರುಳ ಕೊಡಿ means her own body part or has come from her body part. Karula kodi means her own body part or it has come from her body part. That means it has come from her womb. Magu baby, tanna her. So she thinks a maguva tanna karula kodiyu. So karula kodiyu means her own body part or come from her body part. So she says the baby, it has come from her own body part or it has come from her womb. ಎಂದು ಬಗೆವಳು. ಬಗೆವಳು means that is the way she thinks. Okay? ಮಗುವಿನೊಡನೆ ದಿನದ ಕೆಲಸ. ದಿನದ means every day's work. ಕೆಲಸ. ದಿನದ ಕೆಲಸ every day's work. ಮಗುವಿನೊಡನೆ. ನೊಡನೆ means together. She does her day's work along with the kid. Or ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡುವಳು means she completes her work. ಮಾಡಿ, completing the work. ಬಿಡುವಳು, she completes her work. Okay, so she does her ಮಗುವಿನೊಡನೆ ದಿನದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡುವಳು means she does her day's work along with the kid, or kid being around, she does her entire day's work. ಸೊ ಮಗುವ ತನ್ನ ಕರುಳ ಕೊಡಿಯು ಎಂದು ಬಗೆವಳು, ಮಗುವಿನೊಡನೆ ದಿನದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡುವಳು. So that means she says or she thinks that her baby has come from her womb and she also does a day's work along with the kid, or by the kid being around, she does her entire day's work. ಮಗುವು ಅಳಲು ನೊಂದು ತಾನು ಮನದಿ ಕನಲುವಳು. ಮಗು ಬೇಬಿ ಅಳು ಕ್ರೈ, ನೊಂದು ಪೇನ್, ತಾನು herself, ಮನದಿ at heart, ಕನಲುವಳು means at heart she feels the pain. Okay, so if the kid cry, then she also feels the pain at her heart. That's the meaning. ತನ್ನ ಮಗುವ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರೆವಳು. ತನ್ನ herself, ಮಗು ಬೇಬಿ, ನೋಡು look, ಎಲ್ಲ everything. ಮರೆ means to forget. See, she forgets everything by looking at her kid. So the meaning is, if the kid cry, then she also feels the pain, or at heart she feels the pain when her kid cries, and also that looking at her kid, she also forgets whatever pain she has. Okay? ಮಗುವೆ ನಾಳೆ ನಾಡ ಪ್ರಜೆಯು ಎಂದು ನೆನ್ನೆವಳು. ಮಗು ಬೇಬಿ, ನಾಳೆ tomorrow's. ನಾಡು means country. ಪ್ರಜೆಯು means citizen. ಎಂದು, this way. ನೆನೆ means to think. So ಎಂದು ನೆನೆವಳು means she thinks this way. ಮಗುವೆ ನಾಳೆ ನಾಡ ಪ್ರಜೆಯು means kid itself is tomorrow's citizen of this country. This way she thinks. ಜಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮಗುವ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಾನು ತಾಯಿಯಾದಳು. ಜಗ world, ಜಗಕ್ಕೆ to world. ಮಗು means baby. ಕೊಟ್ಟು by giving. ತಾನು herself, ತಾಯಿ mother. ಆದಳು means to become. So she gave the kid to the world and became the mother. The Padya was written by A.K. Rameshwara. Do remember the poet's name, A.K. Rameshwara. ಕೇಳಿದ ಪದಗಳು ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಿ. So these are the words learned from the poem. You have to read it aloud and pronounce it appropriately. So first is ತಾಯಿ. ತಾಯಿ means mother. ಮಗುವ ಮಗು ಬೇಬಿ. ಹಡೆದು to give birth. ಜಗವ jaga means world. ಮರೆತಳು forget. ಇಡಿಯ whole. ಬಗೆದಳು what do you mean by ಬಗೆದಳು? To think. ದಿನವು every day. ಆಡಿ ಬರಲು coming after playing. ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ proud. I will read the words again. ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವ ಹಡೆದು ಜಗವ ಮರೆತಳು ಇಡಿಯ ಬಗೆದಳು ದಿನವು ಆಡಿ ಬರಲು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಪಡುವಳು to feel. Okay. ಬಾರದಿರಲು ಬಾರದಿರಲು means not coming. ಕರೆವಳು calling. ಪೊರೆವಳು to look after. ಹಲವು many. ಕೆಲಸ work. ತಿಂಡಿ snacks. ಕೊಡುವಳು ಕೊಡುವಳು means to give. ಕರುಳ ಕೊಡಿಯು ಕರುಳ then ಕೊಡಿಯು. ಕರುಳ ಕೊಡಿಯು means her own body part, okay, which means that her own body part or which means womb. ದಿನದ every days. ನೊಂದು pain. ಕನಲುವಳು ಕನಲುವಳು means to feel the pain. ಪ್ರಜೆಯು means citizen. ನೆನೆವಳು ನೆನೆ to think. I'll read it again. ಪಡುವಳು ಬಾರದಿರಲು ಕರೆವಳು ಪೊರೆವಳು ಹಲವು ಕೆಲಸ ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೊಡುವಳು ಕರುಳ ಕೊಡಿಯು ದಿನದ ನೊಂದು ಕನಲುವಳು ಪ್ರಜೆಯು ನೆನೆವಳು. ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥ. ಪದ ವರ್ಡ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಕನಲುವಳು ಸಂಕಟ ಪಡುವಳು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೇನ್. ಇಡೀ ಪೂರ್ಣ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್. ಬಗೆವಳು ತಿಳಿವಳು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ತಿಳಿವಳು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಗೆವಳು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್. ಪೊರೆವಳು ಕಾಪಾಡುವಳು means to protect or take care. ಈ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ರಾಗವಾಗಿ ಹಾಡಿರಿ. So sing the poem. So already the poem is been sung with the tune and uploaded in our channel. Kindly watch that. Next, ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಬರೆಯಿರಿ to write ಉತ್ತರ answer. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ one sentence. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ means ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ means questions. Okay. First question. ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವ ಪಡೆದು ಏನನ್ನು ಮರೆತಳು? So what did the mother forget after giving birth to the child? ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವ ಪಡೆದು ಏನನ್ನು ಮರೆತಳು? So what did the mother forget after giving birth to a child? A mother forgets the world after giving birth to the child. So ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವ ಪಡೆದು ಜಗವ ಮರೆತಳು. She forgets the world. So what does the mother forget after, or what did the mother forget after giving a birth? The mother forgets the world after giving birth to a child. ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವ ಪಡೆದು, just copy the question and then write ಜಗವ ಮರೆತಳು. Fine. So ಜಗವ is the answer. ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಪೊರೆವಳು? How did the mother take care of the kid? How did ತಾಯಿ took care of her kid? ತನ್ನ 100 ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸಿ ಪೊರೆವಳು. She endures hundreds of hardships. Okay. And that's how she protects her kid. So ತನ್ನ 100 ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸಿ ಪೊರೆವಳು. So she protects her kid by enduring hundreds of hardships. Okay. The third question. ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡುವಳು? What does the mother gives to her kid? A mother gives ತಿಂಡಿ to her kids. ತಾಯಿ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ Tindi koduvalu. She gives tindi as per the poet or in the poem. Mother gives snack or tindi to kids. So answer is tindi. In your textbook, after this question answer, you would find framing of a sentence wherein they have given 3 words from the poem. Okay, so I didn't include that in video because it differ from kids to kid. Okay, so but still I can give you an example. The first word was jaga, which means world. Tai jagaki maguva koduvalu. So the mother gives baby to the world. So I just took it from the poem. So similarly, you can frame your own sentence. It depends on the kids and how the teachers has asked them to write. So kelasa means work. Nanu pratidina kelasa maduttene, which means I work every day. Okay. Tindi snacks. Nanage tindi ತಿನ್ನುವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. I like to have snacks. So you can frame accordingly. And next is that you have to write the synonyms of 2 words, that is Thai and Praje. Thai means mother, Amma Janani, Praje Nagarika Jana. So that also differ. There are many other similar meaning words. So it depends on the teacher how they have written it in the fill in the blanks, or it's up to the kids how they want to write it. Okay, so I have not included in the video. And the next is very self-explanatory and the answers differ from each other. So here ka is given. You can frame words accordingly. Okay, kannu, kannada, kallu, kara, kamala. You can do anything. The next is sa, sara, sankhya, satyavanta, satya. Any words the kids can write. And another one, you have a tabular column. You just have to write accordingly. They have given no and do. So you can write no do. You just write it there. Okay. Then ka do, ka and do. Ka in the first column, do in the second column. So in the third column you write ka do. Ma do. Just have to be do, ni do, gu do, say do, mu do. So anything you can. You just have to join the letters and write it in the third column. So this is all about the chapter Thai. Hope you like the video, and do share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.